a K-influencer.
This is Angie from the Philippines.
I'm so thankful that K-influencer finally held the workshop here in Manila.
And I feel so honored that they chose the Philippines. The staff really flew all the way from Korea to meet us.
It's nice to see that we have a shared goal of making Korea viral and, promoting our love for Korea. I'm excited and nervous at the same time, but I'm really happy that I was able to meet my K-influencers. The networking session was really fun. I love meeting other K-influencers. We got to know them better and what are our goals and how we can make Korea viral.
I really enjoy the speed networking the most because it's a time for us to really get to know each other, to know a little bit deeper.
I really enjoyed it. It was fun and it was engaging.
K-influencer fighting!